He just took off from the water and I missed it because I didn't know what I was hearing. Anywho, we're at our next campsite, still on the Missouri River. Already set up, so to speak. Kind of about all I'm going to do, to be honest about it. But some of y'all, where is that sign? Oh, it's way over there. Want to go look at the sign?
Yeah.
Some of y'all will probably recognize this place because I've come here a couple times. It's it's one of my go-to camp spots, and it's free. This is the one where I'm standing in Nebraska, and right across the river is South Dakota. Yeah. This is remember, I'm usually in my van, used to be in my van parked right there.
Are that free range cows? No, I see the fence. Oh my god.
The sun's getting to her.
Oh my god, are they really gonna just walk across this little dirt lawn?
The heat's getting to her. I just had to. Anyway, as I was saying before, the free range cows behind the fence was. The van is usually sitting right there, but now we got the our new nice camper, new to us nice camper. This is Mulberry Bend. As you remember last time I was here, it's just a big open lot, but it's free. Has a bathroom. We're going to inspect it once again to see how well it does if Rusty don't trip me.
Oh wow.
I mean, I wouldn't eat dinner in here, but you know, the plug-in's still here. I never could get it to work. Some people says it works, and it's never worked for me. The plug-in's still in there. Has a one little picnic table, a boat ramp. Right over there is where I took my picture every time for that sign way over there.
Yeah.
But if y'all remember, where's it at? Where's it at? Right there. That's where I always take my little picture. Mulberry Bend Overlook. The new people following me, new subscribers following us, probably don't remember me being here. It's been at least 2 years ago last time I was here. I've been with her a year, and then I used a camper last year, so it's been at least 2 years anyway.
This is really good right here. There's a nice little breeze.
It does. Maybe we can bring our chairs and sit over here. But it has, yeah, same old information boards. Oh, they got some new pamphlets though. I'll grab one. I sure will. Looks like they got a Friends of Missouri pamphlet. National Recreation Area. That might show some more. I know I got y'all staring at the wall. Just give me a second. Looks like you can get a map. Because one year I collected these maps. And,
Nice.
and you can get a Friends of the Missouri National Recreation Area. I don't know what that is, but it may show other campsites.
Nice.
I don't know.
We will inspect.
But anywho, oh, there's the horses I was telling you about. They're over here now.
Okay.
The last couple times I was here, they was in that field over there, but that's private property across the road. But there's the horses. Some of y'all might remember. Ooh, sorry about that. Had it zoomed in. Some of y'all might remember there's in that field last time over there. But anyhow, I'm gonna pause it. I'm not gonna bore you to death with this one toilet in a tree. But we'll come back this afternoon. When it cools off a little, we might go for a walk or something. Okay, I'll be back. Well, another day is coming to an end. We're at our new campsite, which I believe I already showed you. This is the Mulberry Bend. Ooh. It's Krusty Rusty's laying in the grass. I'm sitting in a chair watching the sunset. Sort of, kind of. That's not really true. I'm sitting there sweating is what I'm doing. Oh, cool. Got distracted by how cool the sun looks. Wow. That's pretty neat. Anywho, it don't show up good on here. That's really all orange and pretty cool looking. It don't look like it on here, but it's been a hot one today, ain't it? Yeah, I won't lie. It's been almost miserable hot, but the sun's going down. It's cooling off now, so it should cool down, be pretty comfortable. It wasn't bad when we got here, but there was like a small breeze. Now there is no breeze. So it's like, it's hot. And I got a mosquito won't get on my face. But I'm gonna look at the sun one more time. And I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna leave tomorrow and go somewhere new. Oh, super zoom, wasn't it? Ain't that pretty neat? It almost looks like a picture, don't it? Okay. I'm gonna pause it and we'll be back tomorrow. Today is leaving day, Rusty. Rusty, today is leaving day. He's like, I really don't care. Today is leaving day. She's there making all that noise. Making the noise like, I don't know, what is that? Oh, it's a bird. But anyway, we're gonna get out of here because it was hot. Same spot, we're at the Mulberry Bend Free Campground on the Missouri River. Either way, time to go. We're going over there. That's South Dakota, and that's where we're going today. Supposedly, we're going to I don't know. I'm distracted because there's somebody over trying to do a workout video or something. I can't concentrate. She's over there swinging a rope over her head now like a helicopter. What's that supposed to do?
It's probably a good workout. I can't knock her.
Swinging like a helicopter?
It's some kind of arm workout.
I don't want to record her so I can laugh.
It reminds me of the lady with the bouncy shoes.
Oh yeah, that would have been awesome to see.
No, it's a good workout. At least she's trying.
I think she's trying to chop apples out of the tree is what it looks like. Anywho, I'm going to pause this because I'm distracted anyway. I'll be back. We have stopped at the Mulberry Bend Overlook, which we're not at the top yet. We're going to go up there, but I also was up here a few years ago. It overlooks the Missouri River, and it's actually a pretty good view. But now that I got this awesome zoom, there, if y'all can remember, there's a building over there. I was trying to figure out what it was. I'm going to see what it was. If you come to the Mulberry Bend Overlook, they have, well, you can't see us. We're parked right there, but they have two long spaces for RV parking or a bus, you know, something large. Ah, gnat flying around my head. Then they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 regular parking areas and a handicap parking, and it is handicap accessible. They got a wide path, and it is going up a hill, but it has a wide path for, say, a wheelchair or something. Back here they have a vault toilet. It shows it's handicap accessible. I haven't been in there, so I don't know. But you could get a wheelchair here. It's pretty decent incline. I mean, it's not super steep, but they would probably need assistance, you know, going up through here though. We're in nature. Come on.
I know. These are all new experiences.
Rusty. He's got to stop and smell every tree, bush, weed. He's got to smell it all. He's a very curious dog. But anyhow, I'm going to continue walking. We'll pause this. When we get to the top, I'll bring you back. We made it to the overlook, the top. I've been here once before. That big dome, the last time I was here, I was trying to figure out. It's right over there. It's right there. See right above the tree line where I'm shaking? That's the dome of a building. It's kind of hazy looking, so it don't show up as good today, but yep. Pretty nice. The Missouri River. We're gonna cross that bridge right there and go into South Dakota. Oh, wait a minute. Iowa or South Dakota? Is that's Iowa or South Dakota?
South Dakota.
Oh, okay. Yeah, South Dakota. South Dakota. Look like the rain may be coming in a little bit. Sky's all cloudy. Kind of sunny-ish over here, but hazy and cloudy overlooking over there. Anywho, we're going to explore here a little bit and then continue on.